Hello, I'm in a 2002 Toyota Avalon, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then on the passenger side you'll see your coolant reservoir here, as well as this cap that will lead to your motor and radiator. You hardly ever would need to deal with this, but typically just adding to this side reservoir. If it got really low for some reason, you might need to check here as well. And anytime working with the system, you need to make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, just because this liquid works under pressure and can get to a boil, so you don't want poisonous liquid to shoot out all over you if you're playing around with this. And then also double check your owner's manual or a good online source that you've got the best type of coolant for your make and model. And typically, generally speaking, you want to match the same type of that's in here, so match like the same color and brand if you can. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But if you need to add, you can just pop this top off here, and with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed to get around this full mark. There is supposed to be some air gaps, so don't fill all the way to the top. But once you've filled up there, make sure this is closed again. And if you want to check here, you can just push this down and twist about twice this way, and it pops right off, and you should see coolant just right there. You can add a little there if you need to as well. But typically it just pulls from the side reservoir. And then when you're done, just screw this back on nice and tight. Make sure that one especially is tight, since that system's under pressure. And then at this point, I would probably start the vehicle and run it for a while. Just let the new coolant circulate, and then watch for any puddles or leaks that might be forming around the engine bay, the radiator, the reservoirs, or under the vehicle. Is that going to be a sign of somewhere there might be a leak that needs fixed? And the way to tell that apart from water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on, if you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.